PDF file too large to upload? Maybe your PDF is just a little over the limit: 1 MB for a form, 5 MB for a resume upload, or 25 MB for an email attachment. Most people do not just want to compress a PDF randomly. They need to reduce it to a specific file size so it can actually be uploaded, submitted, or shared. Start by uploading your PDF. For example, if your platform requires files under 500 KB, simply select 500 KB and compress. If you need an even smaller file, Lynote also offers small size options, such as 100 KB or 200 KB. Instead of guessing the compression level again and again, choose the file size you actually need. For example, I'll choose the size to 500 KB. Simply, I'll select 500 KB and compress. Here is a file, around 1 MB, with images and detailed pages. Just drag and drop your file, and Lynote will automatically generate a PDF that matches your target. Now the file is smaller, easier to upload, and ready to share. You can also check the result. The text stays readable, the layout stays clean, and the document is still usable after compression. Now the PDF fits the size limit. Go back to the upload page, upload the compressed file, and it goes through successfully. No repeated trial and error. Click the first link in the description and upload. Choose the target file size, compress it, and see how small your PDF can get. If you have ever failed to upload a PDF because it was too large, tell me in the comments, how many MB did you need it to be? Try it now at Lynote.ai.